Now we read circle. Second, a line which intersects a circle in a two distinct point is called a secant. Here is secant is A, B, these point, and tangent. A line meeting a circle only in a one point is called a tangent to the circle at a point. Line PQ is the tangent of the circle which touch the circle at the point A. Number of tangent to a circle. There is no tangent passing through a point living inside the circle. There is one and only one tangent passing through a point lying on the circle. There are exactly two tangents through a point lying out a circle. The second point is important. Read once time again. There is one and only one tangent passing through a point laying on the circle. Now we read result on tangent. The tangent at a point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. OP is the perpendicular and divided the tangent APB. Here OP is the perpendicular and AB is the tangent which touch the circle at the point P. Second result is the length of tangent draw from a external point to a circle are equal. A is the external point of the circle O, and if we meet the point AP and OQ, these are the same distance from the circle center AO. So AP is equal to AQ. AP is equal to AQ. If two tangents are drawn from the external point, then the subtends equal angle at the center end. And the second point, they are equally inclined to the line segment joining the center to that point. Here angle APQ is equal to angle AQO because tangent AM and OQ is the perpendicular on AM. Here OP is the perpendicular on AN. So the angle are equal. So these angles are equal.